Now come on, come all to this tragic affair.
It finally happened. It finally happened. I'm like shaking.
You might wake up and notice you're someone you're not. If you look in the mirror and don't like what you see, you can find out firsthand.
Nah, it's not even turning. Oh!
Piggies and kiss this goodbye. I'd encourage your smiles. I expect you won't cry.
Nah, they're full on locked up. Oh! I could maybe limp it home, but it's back to life. It was seized. It was seized. All right, bye.
Another conclusion.
It locked up again. I could have just rode home on the scooter. That's what it's there for. Cheap. Stuff all the American juice. Extends engine life, that's what we need. Oh my god. Who the hell does a sump plug up like that pipe?
Someone's butchered that nut.
That is the old spark plug. Sorry about the shaky camera angle.
Why is it red? Oh, you like to see it.
Oh my god, it's like honey. It's thick as anything.
Yeah.
I don't think it's...
There's no obvious big things.
Don't you need to jump it?
Yeah, I just wanted to see what it looked like. I am taking the wagon into town. Yeah, let's just see if it survives. Yep, the belt is definitely squealing. I can definitely hear the knock slightly. Then we shift down. It's fine. I don't know. Look what Rory brought.
Please don't blow up. Amen.
He brought the Bible to pray. Let's see if it starts. Oh, so close. Oh yeah, get the Bible out.
Please start.
In the name of the Father
The Son
and the Holy Spirit. No.
Starting it up.
This is the starting procedure.
Well, it's fucking warm under here.
This is when it knocks.
Oh. You hear it there.
You can hear it there, no, it's not. We found this mysterious burnt CD, whatever that means. Copenhagen mix. Crank it!
It's like rain.
Oh, that's the most.
No, it goes up.
Why's your phone doing that? This is a banger.
What is this?
We gotta wait for the beat drop. Yeah, skip it.
Is it all this?
This is the... Yeah!
It's just like some guy's favorite songs or some shit.
Oh, it's pretty good. Now this is music. The professionals are at work. He's mounting it. Yeah, very inappropriate. He just showed up with a Bible.
Borrow some strappy sandals.
Yeah, it's not consistent.
Yeah. Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
When we turned it on, it sounded like it was at the back, but now it sounds like it's at the front.
It's weird, isn't it? It's a nice. But it is a nice car.
Scan the engine away. It's like a fish. And memories of my work.
It's what every Commodore driver does.
Oh,
Hi.
I would hit that.
Hi.
Hi. Reaction to the Savage Love Instagram stories was a bit mixed.
Hit the lady, Cooper.
Gemma love.
Yeah, we need to start doing this.
We all need to run everybody's face to face action.
Commodore wagon. You know your window's open?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it was. Your driver's side.
What? Mine? Oh, yeah, just a little bit.
Hello, we're outside.
Yep, 1 second.
He's going crazy. He's going crazy. We're in the wagon.
Wait, do you want me to grab a CD real quick?
If you want.
I think that might be a good view. He's trying to make a cock-shaped hole in the peanut butter. Oh, there we go.
I need to treat it as if I've been fucking it.
That's where it's at.
It's just flooding the hole again.
What, you know a thing or two about fucking jars of peanut butter? What do you mean
It's
you gotta
like-
treat it as such?
It's like it's sealed back up.
Fab. How? Yeah, why'd you buy the natural peanut butter? It's too oily.
You would do that.
What? The natural peanut butter is not the play. It's too oily. Skippy and natural in the same sentence is also shocking. That shit's like 90% polymer.
This is disgusting. You have to go into twin towns like that.
I'm not even close.
Yeah, but same general same general idea. Like,
This is
no
my
idea,
shaggin' wagon.
What do you mean idea?
Yeah, I know. I
Oh, thank you for caring about my shaggin' wagon.
Think straight.
Oh my god!
Get off me, bitch.
Commodore, mate.
See how cool this is? No! This is some random person's car.
Oh, this is your car.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, you fucking ass.
Bench seat, column shift, V6. Fuck more than you asked for. I know which one the best. I said it. You're like laughing. What is laughing?
The wagon looks good. Listen to her die. Listen. Oh wait, that was good. That sounded good. That was a good one.
That was a good one. Alright, I gotta catch you around. Ben!
Bye, Ben.
Send me a photo of that bowl.
I will. I hope that was on your little camera.
People wanted me to film us driving.
Yeah, well, we're surviving and we're not blowing up.
Thriving. I don't know if you can hear that in the camera, but the seal's a bit dodgy in this still.
Just don't worry about it. Well, I've got like 0 B-roll, so look, there's a sign. We're basically here. We found the Jesus car park in Spot X. It's a real car park. It's a Jesus car park, and we're under the shade. Somehow this goddamn thing made it over here. Yeah, I got like this. Check out this camera.
Check out this camera.
It's like a baller camera right now.
It looks like shit.
Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play.
Holy fuck, you can't see you, man. Well, this road will take the first right that you can, okay?
Oh yeah.
Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna shut up. Oh, that's where the train nearly hit me.
I love her. Goodbye, my
It's
friend.
been a long day without you, my friend. Check here on the flippity flip. On the flippity flip side. It finally happened. This is the 1995 Holden Commodore wagon with a bench seat. Let's pop the bonnet and take a look at the motor. So the story goes, we bought this car and 10 minutes after buying it, the battery was flat and it started knocking. We babied this thing over an hour home, and I was told by mechanics and mechanically inclined people that it was going to be a money pit, just throwing parts, because nobody knew where the knocking was coming from because it was a really weird noise. So I had 2 options, either drive it until it blows up or throw money at it and try to fix the issue. But in the end, we decided to just drive it, and unfortunately a couple days ago it blew up. So it's gonna need a new motor. All right, I'm going to try to start it up just to see what happens. We started it up before and it sounded absolutely horrible. Yeah, it got worse as of just before. So I think she's pretty sad right now.
Yeah, Rory.
The worst of the damage is definitely on the bumper. It has a lot of touch-up paint and it's not in the greatest of conditions. And then the worst damage on this side is up there. There's a big scrape on the door. And then the passenger side guard has a bit of dent and dimension going on. As well as the front bumper has been resprayed, not in the same shade of white, and it wasn't prepped very well. Yeah, and the aerial doesn't go down because it looks like someone bent it. Oh. From the top down, we've got no hail damage at all. And the roof is in very good condition. As well as all the gutters, no rust at all. Gutters are in good condition. It's been debadged and there's a bit of a dent there, so I mean, you can tell the story there. It was dented because it was debadged. Anyway, looking in the back, we've got very big boot space. That is probably the worst rust in the whole car, and it's not really rust, it's just like, I don't know, some corrosion. It's solid. As well as this guy, for some reason, is also very crusty, but looking under here, yeah, no, it's good. Alright, so this side of the car is in very good condition. Coming inside. Oh, it's missing the rubber here, but it's in the car. There, the rubber on the handbrake there. And the door thing needs to be glued back on. The big thing is that this number is broken. The odometer is broken, so I don't know how many Ks are actually on it. I mean, that isn't much, but I don't know how long it's been like that. But column shift, transmission shifted good when I was able to drive it. That vent, yeah, the vents are a little hard. All the other vents are good though. We've got a Sanyo head unit. Aircon works up to 3 speeds. High doesn't work. We've got power mode, that works. Speed alert works. Now it looks like these buttons are broken, but it's just the paint that's faded off the clear plastic. So that's still good. For at least 300,000 kilometers, the seats are in really good condition. No rips, no tears. I think there's a cigarette burn just on the back there, but otherwise it is in really good condition, as well as the headliner. That is the worst sag right there. But if you just take a look at the rest of it, a very good condition. Oh, the light's broken. So this car comes with 2 keys.
2 keys.
Which for something this old is very rare. This car comes with an original manual, as well as excellent safety features such as a driver's side airbag. And aftermarket accessories such as increased mirror space.
You can do your makeup while you drive.
One thing I should state, tires are in very good condition. They're brand new all around. They're not brand new tires, but they're new tires. Like, take a look at that. It's still got the nub, still got the little nipple things. A lot of tread. Very nice.
Cromulent.
To be able to get a VS Commodore in Arctic white with a bench seat and column shift is a very rare thing. These are not common cars, and I don't want to see it go to a scrapyard. I think it's worth saving to the right person, but that person isn't me because I am broke and I owe my friend money for buying this thing in the first place. So please, MTV, pimp my ride. Is that cringe?
End video.
Okay. This is a depressing day.
Thought I ran into you down on the street. Then it turned out to only She went away and then I took a different path. I remember the face, but I can't recall the name.
Bye bye. The depression. God.
I don't have a reason to be depressed. I just saw your hopes and dreams drive away.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Guess who's on the side of the road?